welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial that is going to be my kind of like going out to the club makeup tutorial basically. It's going to be something that I'm obviously going to wear tonight when I go out, but it's kind of like going to be smoky and like glitzy and like the usual kind of scenario that you think going out makeup is. If you guys want to see more like these and maybe like me include like the whole prep for it, like my tanning routine and like my hair and like my outfit and everything, let me know. The only reason I'm not doing it today is because I actually have work and then I'm going out straight after work. So basically if you guys are interested in getting a look from the thumbnail or just getting ready with me, then please keep watching. Oakley dokley. Hi. I'm first going to go in with the Evian facial spray. It is literally just like a moisturize, refreshing and tone spray. I've actually been really enjoying this lately. Oh my god. It just feels like loads of water just being sprayed on your face and I like that. I like it. I'm going to mix two primers. This is the Marc Jacobs Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer and this is the Noid, I don't know how to pronounce the brand, Photography Fluid Opacity 8%. So this is like the tanny one. There's like a tanny one, a dewy one, I think there's others, but I've got the tanny and like the illuminating one, but this is the tanny. How many times can I say tanny, I wonder? And I'm just going to use a brush just to apply this on my face. If you guys have watched my Sephora haul, which was big, I'm just saying it was big. Yeah, if you guys watch my Sephora haul, you know that obviously I just repurchased that Marc Jacobs primer and I forgot how much I loved it. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got it back in my life. That needs to be one primer that I've always got in my drawer. It really does. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime Pore Refiner Stick just to fill in my pores and fine lines. I really do like this stick a lot, I'm not going to lie. And I'm not being biased at all. This is just a really good stick and it's something that MAC have needed for a long time. So I'm very glad that we have something like this. And fun fact, you can actually use that on top of makeup. Like we've used it on counter on top of makeup before and it looks really nice. If you guys wanted. Okay, so I'm actually going to move on to skin first because I want the eyes quite smoky. I'm quite ill if you guys can't tell. I feel like you can't tell, but I am, so I just need my drink. Yeah, I do want the eyes quite smoky and quite blown out, so I want to do my skin first so that I can just do whatever I need to do on the eyes. I will be using my favourite little baby. This is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Barcelona. Just going to apply this with an IT Cosmetics brush. A brush like this, like a really fluffy brush and like thick is the best way to get full coverage. Like from a foundation that might not even offer you full coverage, this is the best way to get full coverage from it. Obviously you can't do this with like a tinted moisturiser and expect to get a full coverage, but I mean like buildable foundations and like medium coverage foundations, this brush and brushes like this are the best. So this makeup, like I said, is my oh sorry, I got such an itch. I'm going out like to the club. I'm gonna go a bit ham on the products I'm using. So just take from this what you want, use from it what you want, but I'm feeling my bougie life. I've got my pink background, I've got my pink ears, I've got my hair done. I'm feeling it. So I'm first going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Toffee, which if you guys have watched my latest tutorials, you know this is my new favourite thing in the whole entire world. And I'm just going to pat this just around the face where I kind of want to contour, and because we're going out, let's do the jawline. Why the hell not? What have we got to lose? Our double chin. That's one. I'm in a weird mood. I think it's because I'm ill. I'm a bit like... I'm going to go in the small brush first. This is very pigmented, by the way. So I've learnt my lesson a few times now. It's very pigmented. You don't need a lot. But just with a small brush, I'm just going to go in and buff out my underlip and nose. And the nose bit I like to take right under the brow to help contour that part of the face. It's like contour routines, are they still popular on the YouTube? Do you guys want me to do one, like a more in-depth one, why I contour the certain ways that I do and everything? Let me know. Like I can do it as part of like a base video maybe, like it's whatever you guys want to see. Like I can do my foundation, my concealer and everything. And then with that Evian spray again, I'm just gonna spray This is just a Real Techniques contour brush. I'm just going to buff out the jaw, and then just the same with the face, just buff it all out. This shade is dark, and I have mentioned that I want to get a lighter shade, I just haven't got round to it yet. But once it's blended out, like, I really like it, like, I don't know. I am wanting to get a lighter shade, but I just thought Toffee was a nice one when I got it. I love that base. It's glowy, it's full, it's contoured-esque. So this is the extra bit I'm going to do. I haven't used this before, so I have no idea how this is going to go, which I know I shouldn't probably do right now if I'm going out, like, you know. But I'm going to try it. It is the NYX Away We Glow Liquid Booster. It's in the shade Untamed, Sauvage, or is Sauvage the equivalent of Untamed? I don't know. It's the brown one, basically. What I'm going to do with this is, okay, hopefully get some out. There we go. Is pop some on the back of my hand, grab my beauty blender. This is just the Morphe one that I always use. And just go over that. I don't know if you can see a difference, because I don't know if I can. Maybe it's nice just by itself and does the job by itself, but I thought I'd just try it with this. Maybe we have to try it by itself, but I thought I'd try it anyway. The concealers I'm going to use are the Urban Decay All Nighter concealers. I love these. I have the shade Medium Neutral and Light Warm. I'm going to use medium, like, around my face, and then the light one under my eyes. So yeah, this is the medium. I really like these concealers. I think they're really nice, and they're very full coverage. This is still the medium one. I just like to do a little bit of a template under the eye first, and then I'll go in with the light one. And then back with that Morphe sponge, I'm just gonna dab it all out. I'm actually really excited to go out tonight. I haven't been out in ages. I don't usually go out though, that's the thing, so like, it is a treat for me to go out, and it is a rarity for me to go out. Just because, like, I don't drink alcohol, I don't like loud music, I don't like sticky floors, I don't like other people being near me like that. But my work girls love to go out, and I love my work girls, so I like going out with them as well. They're a laugh, so it's all good. But it's one of their birthdays today. Not today, tomorrow, but we're going out tonight, which is super cool. But yeah, I've got a few, like, occasions coming up in which I will be doing, like, this kind of, like, full glam look. So if you guys want to see, like I said, like, start to finish, like, tan hair, makeup, outfit, let me know. Like I said, the only reason I'm not doing it is because I've got work. Like, I've literally got to have this makeup on all day and hope that it lasts and stays good. Thank God I work on a makeup counter, so I can touch up if I need to as I go. But yeah, so just let me know if that's something you guys are interested in, because obviously I've got, like, my work Christmas do coming up. I've got a couple of nights coming up as well. I've actually got an evening out tomorrow night, which I'm filming for as well. But yeah, if you just let me know what you guys want to see, that'd be great. I'm then just going to set those areas that I concealed with my MAC Loose Foundation in Extra Light. Okay, so I'm going to do eyes. I think that what I want to do is like an orange brownie smoke on the top, but mainly orange. And then the lower lash, I want it to be orange and purple. Like, I want the lower lash to be a lot darker. And then maybe with a bit of, like, shimmer on the lid as well. So that's the plan. So I've got a few palettes out. Apologies, and there's a couple of single eyeshadows. I'm first going to go in with the Juvia's Place Festival palette. It's probably one of my favourite palettes of all time. Like, that shade, that shade, that shade, that shade, that shade. Sexy. But I'm first going to go in with this one right here. It's kind of like a peachy salmon-y kind of colour. It is very pigmented. But I'm just going to kind of act this as our transition. I know I want more of an orangey as opposed to like a salmon-y, but I just want a, like, transition before I start blending neon colours on my eyelid. So literally just like a light wash of colour. Nothing too cray-cray. This is just a Morphe M521 brush, by the way. Just a nice large fluffy blending brush, really. I'm then going to go into this shade here in that same palette, and this is just a Zoeva 221 Look Soft Crease Brush, and I'm just going to build this in the crease as well. The mirror's too far away. You know when you're ill or like here just like hurts, blending eyeshadow is such a nice like feeling, because it's like a mini like eye massage almost. So I'm just like, I'm living my best life right now. And then I'm just going to bring that shade on the lower lash line as well, because when I put the purple there, I want the purple to blend out into this orange too. This is literally like a neon orange. I love it. I love this palette. Then I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Saharan palette, and I'm going to go in with this like darker orange here. This is just a MAC 217 brush, and as always I'm just using it on half the brush, and I'm going to pack it on the outer corner and buff it through the crease slightly. And then I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's kind of like it is an orange to be fair, but it's kind of like an orangey brown almost. And this is that MAC 217 again. I'm just kind of like, shush! I'm just deepening these outer corner bits really. The Inglot JLo collab, this is in the shade Freedom System, I think, maybe? J331 maybe? I don't know. It's like one of the ones that JLo did with them. Just on a MAC 221 brush, I'm just gonna dab this on the outer corner bit to deepen it slightly. Just gonna dab over it slightly. This is an Inglot pigment in this shade 126 that I'm gonna use. Actually, yeah, so I'm gonna use this as the adhesive. This is the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid in Beam Time. And what I'm going to do is just use this on the lid and then pat on that Inglot pigment on top for it to adhere to. This is MAC's Lip Pencil in Nightingale. And the purple eyeshadow that I want to use is from Coloured Rain, and it's in the shade Perp Smurf. And this is just a Zoeva 226 smudger brush. And I'm just going to rub this on the lower lash line. And I'm going to do liquid liner as well, because why not? I'm going to use my usual suspects. This is the NYX matte liner, which I'm going to do the lid with, because I got this wrong last time because I hadn't done makeup for a while. Do the lid with that one, and then the L'Oreal Perfect Slim Super Liner is the wing. I remembered this time, guys, I got it right. This is a very small, modest wing for me. I'm going to extend it. I actually might add a black liner in my waterline. I feel like I want it darker than what it is. Yeah, that's a bit better. I want it more darker. Perfect. So now I'm going to go in and add mascara and falsies, and I will let you know what falsies they are when I come back. And then we'll do the rest of the face and then we're done. So the lashes that I went for were Lily Lashes in the style Hollywood. And I feel like this is weighing down a bit too much. There we are. This is the completed eye look, bar my highlight areas, but I'll do that when I highlight my face at the same time. Just thought I'd let you know. To bronze with, well, now we're moving back onto skin obviously. To bronze with, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Solier Deep Tan Matte Bronzer. This is just a Tom Ford brush. It's over the top expensive, and yeah, I'm just using it so that I still get my money's worth of it, because I haven't used it in ages. And even though I know it's expensive and not all of you guys can get it, and I completely get it, the only reason I was able to afford this was because Sophie just had an event ages ago. I had a gift card, so I had a discount plus gift card. But anyway, yeah, I want to use it because I've spent the money on it, and it's just sat there going to waste otherwise. Balm's Down Boy Blusher. It's a very pink blusher, but it's nice on the skin. I always just find it like a nice little wash of colour. First liquid highlight, I'm going to take the Nip and Fab Liquid Gold Highlighter. This has got to be my favourite liquid highlighter ever. I'll say it once, I'll say it twice. Nip and Fab makeup is really, really, really good. I'm going to go in with my Morphe sponge again. And I just only put liquid highlighters on the top of my cheekbones, unless I'm like not wearing foundation. This is the Ofra Glazed Donut. Yeah, that would be far too light on my cheeks. Might be a nice like topper, but not just by itself. I might go in with, yeah, actually I'm going to do that. I'm going to go in with the Jennifer Lopez Live In the Highlight Illuminator from Inglot. I used this before, didn't I? Did I like it? I can't remember now. Oh crap, I can't remember if I liked it or not. Oh, I do like it, it's nice. I feel like I might not have liked it though. But I do now, it's nice. I like this, this is cute. This is just a MAC 240S brush. It's a beautiful brush to highlight with. I'm going to set my face down with the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray because I need it to last all night. The reason I don't use the all nighter is because it's a little bit mattifying and I don't like to be matte. But I find the chill one works all night anyway. And then lips. I'm going to go with my favourite lip nude lip combo at the moment. It is all MAC, don't be mad at me. But it is stunning, I swear to God. Okay, so first and foremost, oh, my lid's broke. Cork lip liner. It's very dark. I like the whole 90s lip liner, so just, yeah. Just bear with it. Like I said, just don't judge until the end. Then you take MAC's Lip Mix Pigment, which is this little thing here in the shade Mid-Toned Nude, and just paint it on my lips. So again, just bear with, and then pat and blend it together. The most important part is your finger blend. I really like this kind of look. I know not everyone will, I get it, trust me, I get it. But at the moment I really, really like this, so if you don't want to do your lips like this, of course you don't have to. But I have always loved a noticeable overdrawn lip. I don't know why, I just think that it's proper like 90s and yeah, I just like it. Anyway, and then I'm going to go in with MAC's Sugar Rimmed Dazzle Glass Lip Gloss. This isn't the one that I usually use, but the one that I usually use is in my car because I use it so often. But this is pretty much the same thing. The other one is just like a white one with like glitter specks, and this is a pink one with glitter specks. But you're not really going to be able to see like the pink too much. Right then, darlings, I think I'm done. So then guys, this is the completed makeup look for my going out to the club, that's how I dance as well, and when I'm at work I'm always like that. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I know it was quite, I'm pretty sure it was long. Was it long? I don't know. I think it was rambly more than anything, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I've been saying throughout the video, if you guys want to see like a start raw, untanned, unkept Sophie to like this point, then let me know in the comments down below, because I'll probably do it for my Christmas do as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.